Real Madrid Stadium.
On a stadium tour.
Yes, the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium. This is so
It's
cool.
already so pretty.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. The 15th Champions League title. Let's check out some of their recent trophies. Oh my god, this is crazy. They've won so many trophies. Oh my god, we found the GOAT himself. Ronaldo. Yeah, these trophies are so different.
This is so cool.
What are this?
What is that?
Yeah. Oh my god, this is the Ballon d'Or. This is like the best player award. Ronaldo won like 5 of them. You see, this is also like Cristiano Ronaldo. And these are all Cristiano Ronaldos too. Is this the guy named Bernabéu? Maybe, I'm not sure. They got Alaba's chair in the back. Alaba is right there, and this is chair. Oh, this is the parade we did. This is the parade. I don't know if this is the recent one though. No, I think this is 36 when they won the La Liga, not Champions League. Oh, you could get a Real Madrid coin. You pay and then you get a Real Madrid coin. But what do you do with this though?
Just have it as a keepsake.
I guess maybe like a souvenir or something. Oh wow. There's a lot of constructions going on. Dang, look at that. It's a lot of constructions.
What's going on there?
Oh wait, these are not even construction. Is it gonna be like a concert?
Yeah, I guess so.
2017. Ronaldo is still there. 2018, guess what? He's still there. 2022. Oh no.
But they replaced him.
He's not there anymore.
Our favorite
Oh
Vinny.
my god.
Favorite.
Ronaldo is gone 2022. But guess who is there? Vinny Jr. Now we keep going up. Time to go up again. Let's see what we're going into. VIP. Okay. Dang, such a big city with how many pitches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With 13 football fields. Oh my god. That's crazy. Man, this is tough. Wow. Oh my god, look at this place. Man, this is tough. Oh, let's go in here. Oh, you could see the stats of every player. Dang. Kepa. Vamos, Kepa. Yeah. I know, bro. What's good, Rudiger? See. Yes. Hola, coach. And you got me, Modric the legend. Oh, my guy is leaving. We got Bellingham. She lost Bellingham.
That's my boyfriend.
Yeah, your boyfriend. Let's see. Oh, these are the Champions League. Oh my God, these are the Champions Leagues. Oh, this is 2024. Madrid, Ala Madrid, y nada más, Ala Madrid. as she was saying, I'm so glad we came after they won the Champions League. It's crazy. Why is that a car on the stadium? Oh my god, that's interesting. Now let's go check out the stadium. Oh my god, this stadium is huge.
Oh, this is giving me vertigo.
This stadium is huge.
I'm kind of scared right now.
Okay, let's go get a seat. This is amazing. Well, a lot of constructions and stuff. Historia que existe. That's the beginning of the song, yeah. This is the Real Madrid coins. It's time to go down. Oh, this is all the basketball trophies. That's nice. It's crazy we don't know any of these basketball players. The basketball team has won a lot of too. Dang, they've won all these national leagues. This is the female section. Wow. The Real Madrid Femenino. Ashanti, this could be you. Bro, you broke your knee, right?
Yes, the knee.
Yeah. If not for the knee injury, she would have been up there.
The knee injury.
Yeah, she would have been up there.
Well, to be honest, we're getting our money's worth.
Yeah, the tour is still not
This
done.
tour is going to be 1 hour. It's like
Yeah, it's
2 hours now.
dang.
Oh,
Still
this
not
is
done yet.
5:30.
These are like the rich and famous sections.
Maybe that's one of them open by accident.
Man, they've won 13 of these, 20, 36, 2, 5, 8. Oh, they updated this quickly, 15.
Wait, what?
Like, they've won 15 Champions Leagues. I don't know what this is, but the number is not there. Maybe they've won one. Like, there's more. When you think it's done, they surprise you with another. Ah, nah, this is just an exit. I think we're done now for real. Oh, they want you to buy something. Oh, this is a 6-star though. Man, the official stadium tour. The official stadium store. That's pretty nice. This is next season shirts. Next season shirts.
This is trash.
And it's 100 euros right now. That's where they have all the names and stuff. Okay, the new kits without names is 150. Let's see with the one with names. How much is it? 185. Oh my god, they make the clothes here. Print your names and everything. This is nice. Time to leave. Yeah, that was amazing. Yes, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment down below.
Turn on post notifications.
Yes. What she said.
Ala Madrid.
Ala Madrid.
Let's do the sign language.
Oh yeah, the sign language.
Ala Madrid.
Madrid.
Ala Madrid.
Yes. Also, come on, you Gunners. We can't forget the Arsenal. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and that's it for the video. Peace.